Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. So as you guys can see, this is another unboxing, but I will kind of get into more detail about what this is, okay? Anyway, if you guys not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay, guys. So before we get into this unboxing, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a backstory about what this is. So a couple of videos ago, I did post about what I received for my birthday, and then I did a second video regarding the Loewe puzzle bag, and I did ask you guys for help in regards to the white marks that were on that bag, and asked if I should return it or should I keep it. So a lot of you guys said to return it, which I did. So I did return it and purchase another one from the same place. But so that's the backstory. Let's get right into this. I have kind of opened it a little bit. Let's move this. Okay. Okay, let's get oh, sorry about the shaking. Okay, so we got that big box out the way. So another thing also that I learned in the second purchase was that you can actually request a different packaging. I think the first package that I request was the eco package, and then I request this second one, but I'm not even sure if they give me an option for this one, so maybe that's why I didn't request it. But I did request the other packaging, so I did order it from the same place, Bert Dove Goodman, and I think I finally know how to pronounce it. So I did request this packaging, so hopefully this one came in good. Let's cross our finger because this is the second one. All right, let's get this ribbon off. Okay, this is the type of packaging you talk about when you talk about this type of. This is nice. I like this packaging. So as you guys can see, it has the company's name on there. I love this. Okay, so this is the packaging that I was expecting, not the other type. So, oh, I think this is the bigger one. This is not the one I wanted. Oh, this might be the medium size, not the size small. Let's see. Because they didn't even put the size, what size this was. But I think this is the size medium. Nah, this is too big for me, guys. Ugh. Yeah, this is a size. That's the thing I don't like. Okay, so the picture that was the picture that was on the website, this is the size medium, guys, for this bag. So this is the Loewe the puzzle bag, but this is in the size medium. So the picture that was on the website, I'm not sure if they will still have that picture since I purchased it. The picture that was on the website is a completely different picture than what this bag is, okay? So one thing I was looking at when I looked at the pictures for this bag that I ordered, so this is the size medium. I don't want the size medium. Size medium is too big for me. So I'm definitely going to return this. But the picture that was on the website, it did not have this back on there. It did not have that, and it surely did not have the feet, because I did look at the picture to make sure, because I know usually this is the size medium for this bag. And when I looked at that picture, hopefully if I'm able to put it out, insert a screenshot of it, not a screenshot, but like a side to side. So this is not, no, this is too big for me. I'm sorry. I don't want the size medium. I feel like the size medium is like, it's a big bag. I like the size small. That's what I really was trying to order and stuff. So on the picture on the website, it did not have this, because if it had this, I definitely would have not ordered this, because I know this is the size medium. Because the medium, so just a FYI for some of you guys who may not know, for the Loewe puzzle bag, the medium and the large are the only ones that still carry this D-ring on the back, and also the feet on the bottom. Those are the only two that carry that, okay? So the bigger size, I mean the size small actually has a different, you see. Oh guys, okay, this is crazy. I'm sorry. So as you guys can see, look at You see the price tag right here, the 3150. So this is the price, but on the website it's 3500, and then it says size 0, but they sent me a big size because this is not size 0. Let me see. Did they put this on top of something else? I don't know what they put this on top of, but they literally sent me the wrong size, guys. I guess I wasn't meant to have this bag because I'm definitely not keeping this medium bag. It is too huge. Like, it is big, guys. No, this is definitely not what was pictured on the website when I placed the order. So they gave me a completely different bag. Let me see. Yeah, this is huge. Okay. So this is the size medium. So like I was saying, um, before I started looking into the bag. So this is a size medium. So the Loewe puzzle bag, the size small and mini, no longer the size small. The ones before used to have feet on the bottom. They no longer have feet on the bottom, just the medium. And then it no longer has the D-ring on here, just the medium size that actually has it. The smaller size, and I wish I didn't return the other one because I already returned it so that you could have seen the size difference. This is definitely a bigger size. This is the size medium. This is huge, guys. Like, this is huge. And I don't, nah, I'm sorry, this is like, crossbody would be so big. And like I told you guys, it does have like this type of strap. Again, the new small doesn't have this anymore. It has more of the skinny strap. The medium still have the way thicker strap on here. So I don't know, guys. This is definitely not the size. And I don't know, I guess this is my second time ordering this bag and something had come wrong with it. The first one, you guys, like I told you guys in that video, it was mark on the bag, and really I couldn't live with it, so I did return it. Now the second one, they gave me a size medium when it's supposed to be a size small. And I don't know, guys. And then even on here, it has the wrong price tag because they charge me way more for this than what is on the tag right now, which is really ridiculous. So I'm trying to figure out what is going on, if they sent the wrong bag with the wrong tag, because this tag is definitely not for this bag. So I definitely need to call them and see what's going on, because they definitely send the wrong bag with the wrong price tag. Oh my God. Guys, is this a sign that I don't need this bag in my collection? Please comment below, because this is funny. Like, this is the second time something has gone wrong. I mean, the packaging this time is amazing. I cannot lie about that. Now I know when I'm ordering from Bergdorf Goodman, I need to select that packaging for it to come really nicely wrapped. But they sent the wrong bag. This is not the bag that was on the website. The price definitely is not the price that was on the website. And this bag is too big. I definitely wanted the size small, not the medium, because the medium, yeah, I knew the medium was big. Because I've watched a lot of videos and I see how people are like, yeah, this is a huge bag. The small is the good one. And I really did like the small when I had it in that yellow color, in that dark butter. That small was really perfect for me. This, I feel like it's like, I don't even know, it's like two sizes up. And it looked big. It looks really big. So anyway, guys, this was the quick unboxing. I guess I'm not meant to have this bag in my collection. I don't know, but I'm definitely going to call the company and let them know what's going on, that I was sent the wrong bag. All right, guys. So this was the video for today. Thank you guys so much. Please leave it in the comment below. What should I do? I mean, I know I'm probably definitely going to return this bag because this bag is huge. But this is the colorway that I really wanted initially when I wanted the bag, is this caramel with the gold hardware. I really wanted this colorway, but I don't want the size. Like, if this colorway was in the smaller size, it would be perfect. But anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.